Hi everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. We are going to learn new words and have some fun together. Are you ready? It's time to level up your English. Let's go! How is today for you? Apakah semua lancar hari ini? Bagaimana dengan kemarin? Apa sih yang kamu lakukan kemarin? What did you do yesterday? Kalian bisa melihat kalimat ini kan? Kalimat ini dipakai untuk menanyakan kegiatan kita di hari kemarin. Pertanyaan what did you do yesterday menggunakan past tense. Maka jawabannya juga harus menggunakan past tense, yaitu I went to the beach and sunbathed. Kata kerja dalam kalimat jawaban semuanya menggunakan past tense, yaitu went and sunbathed. So, in this lesson, kita akan belajar bagaimana cara mengatakan peristiwa di masa lampau dalam bahasa Inggris. See those verbs in the slide? Went, watch, walk, sunbath, ate, and cooked. Have you known these words before? Jadi, cara kita menceritakan peristiwa yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu adalah dengan menggunakan simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah actions or events that happened or completed in the past. Kegiatan atau peristiwa yang terjadi dan selesai di masa lalu, tidak ada kelanjutannya di masa sekarang. Itu pengertiannya dari simple past tense. Remember all the verbs in the last slide? Dalam simple past tense, verbs dibagi dalam dua kategori, yaitu regular verb atau kata kerja beraturan. Untuk gampang diingat, regular verb adalah yang ditambahkan ed. Sebagai contoh, cook menjadi cooked, cook menjadi cooked, cook menjadi cooked. Kategori kedua adalah irregular verb, yang berarti kata kerja tidak beraturan. Bedanya dengan yang beraturan atau regular verb, kategori ini tidak bisa ditambahkan ed karena sekali lagi namanya tidak beraturan. Contohnya, go menjadi went, go menjadi went, go menjadi went. Tidak ada rules-nya. Got it? Let's learn more about regular and irregular verbs. Perhatikan tiga kata kerja di baris atas. Walk menjadi walked, cook menjadi cooked, study menjadi studied. Semuanya diakhiri ed. Mereka masuk dalam kategori kata kerja yang beraturan, regular verb. Sedangkan tiga kata kerja di bawahnya adalah irregular verb. Contohnya seperti ada yang di slide. Eat menjadi ate, go berubah menjadi went, swim jadinya swam. Untuk irregular verb ini kalian memang harus mengingatnya ya teman-teman. Let's see the examples of each verbs in sentences. Example 1. My mother walks to her office every morning. Yesterday, she walked. Penjelasannya adalah walks every morning, simple present. Tetapi walked pakai ed adalah past action. Contoh kedua. We take turn to cook dinner every day, but last month my aunt came and cooked the meal for us. It was delicious. Kalian bisa lihat, cook dinner every day itu simple present. Sedangkan last month, my aunt came and cooked the meal adalah simple past. Contoh terakhir, Sheldon and Billy studied together on Wednesdays. Last week, they studied in the public library. Study together on Wednesday adalah present tense, tetapi last week they studied adalah past tense. Studied adalah past tense dari study. Next is the examples of irregular verbs. Example 1. The Coopers eat dinner in a restaurant every first week of the month, but last month they ate at home. Eat dinner every first week of the month adalah simple present, but last month they ate itu contoh simple past. Example number 2. My grandmother always goes to the bank on Mondays to save her money, but last Monday she went to the ice cream shop instead. My grandmother goes on Mondays adalah present, but she went itu past. Last example is Gino and his friend swim once a week. They swam in this lake a month ago. Bagian present tense adalah swim once a week, sedangkan past tense dari swim adalah swam. I hope you get the sense of past tense now because we are going to do some exercises. Here we go. Okay, for this exercise, you have to change the verb in brackets into its past tense form. You also need to decide whether it is regular or irregular verbs. Ready? Question number 1. Bob and Maria gym last Sunday. What is your answer? I hope your answer is visited. And it is regular verb. Good job. Next, how about the verb play? How do you turn it into past tense? The answer is played. That is the past tense for play. Yeps, it is regular verb and you need to add ed to the verb play. Are you ready for question number 3? Here it is. I dinner at 7 p.m. last night. The answer for number 3 is ate. Eat is an irregular verb, so the form for its past tense is ate. Ingat, eat is irregular verb, tidak beraturan, okay? For number 4, try to change go into its past verb form. Did you get it? Well, you're correct. Went is the past tense of go. Go is an irregular verb. Irregular verb. Last questions. How about study? Do you know whether it is regular or irregular verb? Study changes into studied. Studied. It is regular verb. Kata kerja beraturan. You just have to add ed into study. And this is a list for 50 most common irregular verbs. List ini membantu kalian untuk mempelajari kata-kata kerja apa saja yang termasuk dalam kategori irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. Sisanya itu masuk dalam regular verbs. Kalian hanya perlu menambahkan ed di bagian akhir kata kerjanya. Well, so this is a list that is going to be very beneficial for you to be used to study more about irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. Okay, got it? Well, you guys did wonderful. Keep on learning. See you in another lesson. Bye-bye.